Right, it's Monday and I'm back at the field to test this again. The wind's about 10 miles an hour, but probably affecting my phone microphone. So what I've done, to show you what I've done, I've taken that motor out and I put an E-Flite BL-15 in there. Same speed controller, but I've got two battery packs now. There's two 4S packs, Molicel 30s, and they are on a common lead that provides parallel. So I've got 6,000 milliamp battery in there now. So that's pretty cool. Let's just drop that back on. And that's it, it's ready to go. I'm just waiting for my mate to turn up. Hope I don't hit that. But yeah, it's overcast, slightly breezy. A nice takeoff run directly into wind right here, so that's good. No nasty crosswinds. And we'll get this old thing flying again. I had a problem with one of the wheels, fix that back on, that should be a lot better now. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Don't want any nasty surprises, do I? up for landing. I'm going to stand over the other side. Right, back in the car after the first flight, well that flight, it was a complete nightmare. Managed to land it okay. It's going to need a lot of adjustment. I've never had a plane that flies like this, ever. Can't believe I got it back down in one piece as well. It was a complete fight all the way through. So I'm going to look at the footage now and upload a video in a bit and see what we can do to make it better.